You can have your cake and eat it too. You don't have to live in a condo squished amongst many other condos. This incredible location on a barrier island between the Atlantic Ocean and Intracoastal Waterway, Palm Yacht and Beach Club. Villa number 54 is an open concept flooded with natural light. The dining, living, and sunroom areas are perfect for entertaining. And here's the best part. It's being sold totally furnished, turnkey. Just bring your bags and toothbrush. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom villa with 1713 square feet and a single-car garage, all impact windows. You don't have to do any outside maintenance. You don't have to worry. When you're gone from home, just hold the mail. Palm Yacht and Beach Club on A1A is perfect. It is a 55-plus community with 27 acres surrounded by water with marina and docks. There's a clubhouse and a pool on the beach with 100 feet of private beach access. The association owns the land. No recreation lease nor land lease fees. No assessments planned. They do all the exterior maintenance, including the roofs. These mid-century modern homes, built in 1958, have it all. For full listing details, check out the link below in the description. Call me, Karen Foster, 561-212-7769 for an appointment. It's the best of all worlds. At a fraction of the price, you can have it all for only $699,000. Call today.